guys, let's make my happy. I'm also going to make my jik and my 20 liters of liquid soap. I save so much money with these ingredients, and I'm just going to show you quickly how I make mine. Usually for jik, I just do I'll start with the easiest. You go buy this, I don't know what it's called, the scientific terms, but najua ni ya kutengeneza jik. So with this one, I have this container. So I put 4 liters of water here, and then I put this one, which is 1 liter, making the entire thing 5 liters jik. And I think this one, it's not even that expensive. Oops. But for all these items, I don't know, I think they didn't give the receipt, but they should have given the receipt. If I find it, I'm gonna show you. For all these items, I paid, I think, 1,265 shillings. For all this, it will get me 23 liters of liquid soap, which I use for my cleaning around the house, washing the clothes, and my utensils. Now before I get the one that I use for utensils, I don't put the same perfume as the one I put for the other items around the house. And then for Harpic, yeah, this is for Harpic. This will give me 10 liters of Harpic, ile sabuni ya kuosha choo, and it does the job amazing. So that one, I am going to do it right here. This is specifically for my Harpic, specifically for my Harpic. And then this karai is specifically for my 20 liters of detergent. And then niko na mwiko. I'm trying to look kwenye hiyo mwiko iko. It's specifically also for making these things that I have here. Kuna mwiko ya hiyo, kuna karai ya hizo. I put this separate from hizo zingine zote za kuosha hao, za kufua nguo, yeah. And also so when nikichota hii ya kuosha vyombo hapa, I know very well hii ndo inatumikaga tu kwa sabuni peke yake, nothing else. And then after that, I will transfer all these kwa containers zenye zinahitaji kwenda kwa sabuni ya kitchen na sabuni ya kufua and all that. So we are going to start up with this one. It's the easiest, as I said. So I have my water and I have my 2 jugs. This one is because these measurements I can see clearly kwenye nafaa kupimia. And then this one ni jug tu bado, and it has measurements, but I can see clearly kama hii. So I have these 2 jugs. Guys, and just like that, I have my jik. This is 5 liters of jik, the 1 liter, and then the 4 liters of water. Yeah, and that's my jik. Imejifuta, I usually write it here, but imejifuta jina. So yeah, let's proceed to the second video where I show you how to make, let me start with Harpic first.